What's up, guys? This is D bringing you guys another video. We're out and about in the world right now. I'm getting the car wash. We're about to, start my errands for the day. I just picked the car up last night from getting a E40 Tune on it. And when I say this car is a rocket ship now, I am, whew. We got a lot to do today. Got a couple errands, and then I do have a dyno appointment set up today, so I can see what it's making with the E40. Hopefully we can be a fast boy, because we slow right now. But without further ado, let's go. So what do you think about the power it just made?
Oh man, make me want to sell my car. That's all I'm gonna say.
It's a bit spicy. They gotta cut it out though.